Hello and welcome to Health Hacks TV. Today we will be revealing the 6 incredible foods that can help supercharge your energy levels. After this video, you won't have to be relying on that midday cup of coffee to keep you going. These natural alternatives could be just what you need to maintain your energy and conquer your day. Before we hop in, make sure to watch till the end because the last one will surely surprise you. 1. Spirulina. Spirulina is a nutrient-dense blue-green algae that's loaded with protein, iron, and B vitamins, all essential for energy production. Spirulina not only helps increase your energy levels, but is also believed to support your immune system, improve gut health, and aid in detoxification. Add spirulina powder to your smoothies, or try it in tablet form to experience its energy-boosting benefits. Additionally, spirulina is a sustainable and eco-friendly food source, making it an excellent choice for environmentally conscious consumers. With its unique nutritional profile, spirulina is a true powerhouse for sustained energy throughout the day. 2. Maca Root. Maca root, a Peruvian plant, has been used for centuries to enhance energy, stamina, and mood. This adaptogenic superfood is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, helping regulate energy levels and combat fatigue. Incorporate maca root powder into your diet by adding it to smoothies, oatmeal, or baking recipes. Maca root is also believed to have hormone-balancing effects, which can contribute to overall vitality and well-being. By incorporating maca root into your daily routine, you can enjoy consistent energy levels and improved endurance. 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, which help sustain your energy levels throughout the day. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds form a gel-like substance that slows down carbohydrate digestion, providing a steady release of energy. Add chia seeds to your yogurt, smoothies, or make chia seed pudding for a delicious energy-boosting snack. Chia seeds are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support brain function and heart health. With their versatile nature, chia seeds can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, making them an ideal energy booster for any meal. 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids crucial for energy production. This gluten-free pseudograin also has a low glycemic index, helping you maintain steady energy levels without rapid blood sugar spikes. Swap out your usual rice or pasta for quinoa to give your meals an energy-boosting upgrade. Quinoa is also a great source of essential minerals like magnesium and manganese, which play vital roles in energy metabolism. As a bonus, quinoa's high fiber content aids digestion, ensuring your body can efficiently use the energy provided by this superfood. Also, if you're enjoying the educational content, it would mean so much if you could drop a like. We greatly appreciate your kindness as it helps us out a ton. 5. Goji Berries. Goji berries, nutrient-dense superfruits, are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, improving energy levels and overall well-being. Studies have shown that goji berries may help reduce fatigue and increase alertness. Snack on dried goji berries or add them to your favorite trail mix for an on-the-go energy burst. The adaptogenic properties of goji berries can help your body adapt to stress, further supporting sustained energy levels. Plus, their natural sweetness makes them a tasty and satisfying treat that can help curb sugar cravings while still providing you with a much-needed energy boost. 6. Lentils. Lentils are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates and protein, providing long-lasting energy without causing a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. They're also rich in fiber and essential nutrients like iron and magnesium, which are vital for energy production. Include lentils in your salads, soups, or stews for an energy-boosting meal. Due to their high fiber content, lentils can also promote healthy digestion and support gut health, which plays a significant role in maintaining overall energy levels. And there you have it. These 6 incredible foods can help boost your energy levels, allowing you to feel more alert, focused, and ready to take on the day. By incorporating these nutritious options into your daily diet, you're not only providing your body with the fuel it needs to function optimally, but also supporting your overall health and well-being. Remember, A well-balanced diet and staying properly hydrated are crucial for maintaining consistent energy levels. Make sure to watch this video over here to make your health journey even easier. Subscribe now so you never miss one of our videos, and make sure to share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Health Hacks TV.